Discord is basically like social media or a chat interface for gamers, and it's actually designed for gamers. So in this video, for all of those who are looking for a good, reliable gaming application, you will learn how to use Discord.
This is where we see our username and our friend tag and our email, and we can also edit it to change our password, picture. You can also see our account here, and there is our authentication. Privacy and safety, these are options where Discord will scan messages from, if you pick keep me safe, you can scan messages from everyone. This is from everyone except your friends, and this is doesn't scan anything. And this allows us to change whether we want to get direct messages from server members or just from friends. And this is who can add your friends. Authorized apps are what you've added on Discord. For example, this is a bot that I've added for a server I've made, and you can change permissions of it, and this is a website that I connected to for a game. Connections are what your Discord has connected to, for example, Skype, Steam, League of Legends, and these are options of other things you can Discord can connect to.
Discord Nitro is the paid version of Discord. Here are the prices that you can see, and then these are some of the features that you can get. And in the app settings, if you go to voice and video, you can change which device you're recording with, which device you're listening to. Then you can either be talking at all times, or you can be pushing a certain button to be able to chat. And then these are the video settings. You can change which device you're recording yourself with. And these are some more advanced settings to change the quality of your sound. And then in the overlay, this is where you can customize the overlay that you can use in game that keeps track of your voice calls. And then in the notifications settings, you can change when you get notified when someone messages you. And these are some more advanced settings. In the keybinds, these are pretty much the keyboard shortcuts that you can use to control Discord, and you'll have to record your personal keybind or keyboard shortcut. Then in games, this is where you can keep track of what games are connected to your account, and these are the games that are shown when you're online, so it will say that you're playing one of these games if you're playing them. Then in text and images, you can change how your Discord looks.
You are able to change the appearance of Discord. To do that, you would have to go to user settings and go to appearance. There are two different themes on Discord. One is light, where like this, and the other one is dark. And two different message displays, compact and cozy. You're also able to change the font size and the zoom level of Discord. And you are able to, if you go to advanced setting of this, you're able to go on to developer mode, which is for writing bots, and hardware acceleration, where if you turn this off, your frames per second will go down. On Discord, there's a streamer mode, where if you turn this on while you're streaming, it will turn off notifications of when someone joins your voice channel, so it does not disturb the stream. And there are multiple options which you can turn on and off depending on what you need for while you're streaming. The language page is obviously used to select different languages you want your text to come in on Discord. and your Discord overlay to be in. To go to changelog, you go to user settings, then click on changelog. Changelog shows the recent update that has happened for the mobile and PC version. Finally, there's one final button that all you should know. The logout button is used to log out of your account and stop between different accounts.
To add friends, you need to go to the button that says add friend, and then you type in the name of the friend that you want to add and their unique Discord tag. Click send friend request. Then you just need to wait for your friend to accept the friend request.
On Discord, you're able to start calls with your friends or with a group of friends. With this, I have started a call with a friend of mine and we connected now.
Hey friend,
Hi,
what's his up?
nothing. And through this call, you're able to turn on camera. And if you don't want to call, you're also able to turn on camera directly by clicking join video call.
To share screens with someone you're calling, first start a voice call or video call, it doesn't matter. And then once you're in the call, click the share screen button, which is next to the turn on camera button. And then once you've got that set up, whoever you're calling can see what's on your screen at all times until you end the call.
Another way of calling with your friends on Discord would be joining a voice channel on the server you're joined. To do that, you go to the left side tab of your server and there'll be two types of things. One will have a hashtag sign. These are your chat channels, and the one with the audio ones are the one that you want to go to join a voice call. And you just have to click on that and you'll be on the call directly. And if your friend joins, you're able to click their profile and change their volume settings and other things like that. To join different Discord channels, you go to the left side tab and click the additional sign and click join server. And once you do that, you can get a Discord link from websites or YouTube videos. And once you enter that, you'll be in the server and you'll see different chat tabs like announcements and all that if you're on a large server, or if you're on a small server, just simple chat tabs. Another way to join a server would be just clicking on the link given instead of pasting it into the join the server tab.
When you're in a server and you want to invite friends, you can do it by clicking the invite people button, and then you select the link and you click copy. Then you can send that to your friend, and all they have to do is connect through that link. You can also set settings to that link, so like how long it lasts for, how many people can use it, if they're only allowed to join for a moment. To make a new group in your direct messages, go to the top right corner and click add friends to DM, and then you can either scroll through your friends list or search their name. And then once you've ticked their names, you can click OK, and then you will have made your new group.
There are two different types of chat methods on Discord. One would be direct messaging with people. For example, this is a direct message. Or in that, you can also direct message with a group of people with a maximum number of 10 people on one direct message group. Another one, the other method would be if you go to the left side tab, you'll have servers, and servers will have a larger range of people where you can keep adding people and you can chat with them through different chat tabs, or you can use the voice channel to call with them.
One of the great things about Discord is that you can connect your gaming accounts to it, and that will link your gaming activity to your account. You can even connect your Skype account so that people can contact you or whatever. If the game accounts that you've connected haven't already done so, you can add what games that you play to your account by going to settings and then the games bar, and then you click add it, and then you can select the program that you're using or you're playing, and then once you've added it, then it will appear when you're online and people can see what you're playing or using. If you're in a game and you want to keep track of the voice channels that you're connected to, or just your voice calls in general, you can use a Discord overlay, and this will have a list of the voice channels or the calls, and you can hide it or make it show again, and there are even settings to customize what is shown on your overlay.
Creating server. To create a server in Discord, you go to the left side tab and click the add sign and select create. You'll be able to input your server name, change your server region, and select an icon which you would like to use for your server, and you would have to read the community guidelines. Once you've created your server, you'll get an invite link which you send to your friends for them to be able to join your server, and you can change this one to never expire or change it to expire after a certain amount of time, and change the amount of users the link can be used for. To add a Discord bot, you go to Google and search up Discord bots and the bot you want to add. In this example, we'll be using Discord bot Tatsumaki. Once you search that up, you go onto the first website. The website will tell us what the bot can do. This bot is just a general bot used for server management, and to add the bot, you click add at Tatsumaki on the top, and it'll bring you to the authorization access app, and it will give you a list of options that you can do and the server you want to add the bot to. And once you're done doing that, you click on authorize, and it'll add the bot to the server. Bot command. You would have to first check if the server has bots and whether they have command for the bot. Some servers will have a bot command section to spam command the bot, and there are different commands to use. Each bot has a different set of commands for different sets of services. If you want to know more about bot commands, you can simply go to Google, search up the bot name and command after, and you can click on the different websites given, and the website will show you a list of commands they're able to use on your server depending on the permissions set for the server. For example, the Tatsumaki bot has a whole range of commands where you can get credits and you can fish, 8 ball, and check your profile.